So this is the new project car. Yup. It's a 2000 MR2 Spider. Take some scenery. Yeah. So as you can see, it's not really in the best shape. Some minor ding here, ding there, ding headlights. Also, it needs a lot of work. This car has been sitting for 4 years. Managed to pick it up at a really good price. Look at that snap-on muffler from AutoZone. I mean, top is in good shape, no tears, it's just dirty. It's a vinyl top. And going inside, seat, it's not at the greatest condition for now. I'm gonna get inside. Ooh, not actually that bad. So I actually just did some cleaning, so that's why it looks really nice in here. But other than that, the inside is really good. Some Bluetooth, aftermarket radio, chef knob. Thank God it's a manual. And this actually used to be like full of keys and like it rusted it, but I managed to clean up the most that I can. It still has the original floor mats, which is good. Cup holders. And yeah. Oh yeah. Also, there's that broken piece right there. So it's kind of undrivable, to be quite frank with you. And let's open up the frunk. Hopefully I can open it, because the linkage is actually broken. Let's see here. Nope, give me 1 second. Oh, there we go. Oh, let's put this. Oh. Yep, it is fucking dirty. I mean, to expect from a car that's been sitting for 4 years, it's kind of expected. Sadly, it doesn't have the cover that says midship runabout, but I mean, tire spare holder still there. That's probably gonna be removed. Shitty horns that don't even work, removed. And yeah, overall this car is in a pretty bad shape. I'm surprised I'm been able to drive it. I mean, this headlights are storable, but I mean, okay. And then also, I don't know if you can see, but yeah, that radiator support is crooked. It was an accident a couple years ago. Oh no, not a couple years ago, 14 years ago. So 4 years after the car came out. I don't even know if I can. Now let's try to see if we can pop up this hood open. God damn it! Oh, there, it popped open. So yep, yeah, it's in a pretty bad shape. As far as you can see, it's been sitting for 4 years. It doesn't even have a stand for the engine cover. No coolant. Yeah, this car needs a lot of work. But it's really cool. I don't know if you can see over there, but that's where one of the side vents are. So it's an actual functional side vent. let's try start this engine up. So the battery's a bit dead, so oh. Yep, I might be in big trouble. Okay, give me 1 second. Oh, buddy. So, battery isn't working. I just drove it away from my house. And I'm kind of sad about it now. Oh, it's alive. Yeah, it doesn't sound the greatest. I don't know if you can hear, but throb bearing is pretty bad right now. It only has 120 miles, but since it's been sitting for 4 years, it's just been in really bad shape. Look at the SI, yeah. Yeah, everything works. Except horn. Horn doesn't work. This works if I turn it on. But yeah, this is the project car. It's pretty clear back there, yeah. Alrighty. We'll see you guys next time on the when more mods are to come or fix. Because there's a shit ton of things need to fix on this car. Alrighty, peace out.